When I first uploaded my YouTube video, little did I imagine what life had in stock for me. I thought I was sharing videos of food, of travel, of shopping, just so I had a place to put my hobby and interests in. But it turned out to be one of the most amazing life experiences I've ever had. Hi, if you don't know me, I am Ranju. I am a fitness fanatic. I am a huge foodie. I am also a YouTuber at heart. I have pretty much shared the past 7 years of my life on this space. And along the way, somehow I truly discovered who I was. I challenged myself and lost over 22 kgs in a span of 6 months. I know I went through a very tough diet, did a whole lot of workout and got myself super fit. Along the way, I also met the love of my life, and a couple of months down the line, I even got married to him. Soon after, I found a job in a spiritual organization where I was immersed head first into yoga, meditation and conscious living practices. This had a profound impact on how I was living my day-to-day life, and it completely changed me as a person. And this change was also reflected in the videos that I made. As I announced that I became a vegan, I started sharing more vegan food videos on my channel. But the biggest change of them all came to me one morning when I discovered that I was pregnant. This was such a euphoric experience for me because it confirmed to me that I had finally gotten on top of my PCOS. And despite a painful and high-risk pregnancy, a couple of months later, I gave birth to a happy and healthy little baby girl. It has been 2 years since, and life has been a complete roller coaster. The house is messy, the little bub is always on 100% of her energy, and my husband and I are coping slowly with being parents. If you're new here, then subscribe to be a part of this awesome positive community. I will be uploading videos of plant-based recipes, of losing weight post-pregnancy, of what my life is as a new mom, and also my latest conscious living practices. So see you in my next one. Bye.